Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will show you a pour that it didn't went as I hoped. I have some yellows, oranges and reds mixed. All my paints today are mixed with Ovatrol Floetrol. This was azo yellow, it's cinnamon, this little piggy pigments, this is gold yellow, this is cadmium orange and carmine red. I will put this in the middle, and some black and some pearl white, and I have some shades of blue for one chamber and some shades of green for another. I'm using my modular split cup that you can adjust your chambers. Today I had just 3. You can have 6, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 chambers. Sorry, you do this with your dividers. So yeah, I don't know what I was thinking when I was filling up this cup, because the cup is 14-ounce cup and I have just 12 by 12 inch canvas, so I had way too much paint. So I have, for the greens, I have olive green light, olive green deep, I have pregnite by these little piggy pigments, some pearl white, and I have some sea green. And I think that sea green, and I think that it created a little weird looking, I don't know, maybe just mixed with pearl white. And for the blues, I had phthalo blue, I have Prussian blue, I have pearl white, and I have grayish blue, and of course pearl white that I already said. So yeah, when I was pouring it, at first I like it a lot, and then it just starts to getting really weird looking. So I have to work quite a lot, and even while she's drying, she created some weird cells. So yeah, I was kind of working a lot to get this one look like something. But my first mistake was too much paint, definitely, because this would be enough for 16 by 16 or even 20 by 20 inch canvas, not 12 by 12. I don't know what I was thinking. So here it still looks nice, and now you see this kind of grayish colors kind of took over. I want to spin the canvas a little bit while I was doing that. Maybe that was not the best idea. So yeah, it was just, let's see what will happen. And I managed to get a nice result at the end, but yeah, few mistakes that I want to correct. And when I was doing that, I get an idea that I want to do one like that, but have the same colors on the outside chambers and the different ones in the middle. So I will do that for my next video on Monday. For now, I will let you watch this and learn from my mistakes. So here she's dry. Few things I just used some colors that I have mixed. I didn't quite know where I'm going with this. I had way too much paint, but I like the final result. I did some touch-ups here because the cells that were creating here were so weird that I did just some, I don't know, planets or something, I don't know. But I like the composition, I like the overall look, so yeah, pretty happy with this one. Yeah. Tell me what you think about it. Thanks for being here. Have a nice weekend and see you again on the next one. Bye.